In this video, you will find some most satisfying and really ASMR haircut transformation ever. So don't skip this video, just watch this video till the end. You will enjoy. And in this video, we have covered some spiciest shape of line, pushback, taper fade, drop fade, and other most famous haircut among the black guys. So don't skip this video. You have to watch this video till end. You will get the right haircut idea it's for you. And I think this is gonna be a most crispiest haircut transformation compilation ever of the Barber Masters, because in this episode we have covered some of the spiciest haircut transformation. You know, it's gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation compilation. Wow, that haircut was a really blended one, the most satisfying, and that finishes was literally flawless, and that's why I always really appreciate that barbers. Bam. Yeah, they are delivering a top and notch haircut. And I think all of these clients are very lucky to have that type of barbers, because I think it's the haircut is the makeup for the men. If you got the best artist, I think you are the lucky one. And that's why I'm saying that all of these clients are lucky to have that type of barber. And yeah, it's really hard to find a right barber that can understand your situation, that can give you the right haircut according to your face shape and according to your hair type. And it's really hard to find that type of barber. And if you got that type of barber, I think you had never ever cheat on that type of barber. Wow, that's beautiful. That's flawless. I'm loving it. this is gonna be a step by step. And I think if you are a barber or you wanna be a barber, I think these videos really help you to enhance some your skills. And if you are watching these haircut, you are love to watch that type of transformation. I think the Barber Masters is the top channel to have some compilation videos like less than 1 minute, one clip, and you will enjoy like in 6 to 10 minute video, you will enjoy 10 to 15 haircuts. And I think you will learn a lot of things about a haircutting technique. So you have to subscribe our channel and you will find some more stuff in coming days, and that will help you a lot to improving your skills. If you are just watching this video for the mind relaxation, yes, you are in the right place because we are using some nature sound. We are not putting some shitty music on our videos because we are uploading our videos for just those who really love to watch some ASMR or satisfying video. That's why we always use some nature sound like nature's music behind the video, and that's all it. We are using our some natural sound as a background music just for giving you some relaxation. Anyways, guys, it's time to wrap up the video, and I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation by inspired by the most talented and most reputable barber around the world. And I will mention all of these barber in my description box. So if you really wanna visit that barber, yes, you can. Just click in the description and you will find some Instagram link, and just click in the link, and yes, you can contact your barber, you can contact that barber, you can book your appointment. And I think it's you have to book your appointment before visiting your any one of these barbers. So thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe and the post notification to get update for update coming upload.